you all. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 Mamaearth products that are just amazing for the winter season, and I have included products from each category. Like I have hair care, skin care, body care, lip care, eye care, everything covered in this category, and these are all great products for the winter season as they are so nourishing for your skin and for your hair. So starting off with the first product, this is Mamaearth Color Care Lip Balm. This is a tinted lip balm in the variant Cherry, and look at how gorgeous the shade is. It's so pigmented and the lip balm is really hydrating and nourishing. So this is a new launch by Mamaearth. I believe this was launched this month itself, and they launched it in 5 variants. Now when my cousins came over, when they saw this lip balm, they raided all of the other variants that I had, because this was the only one that I had used on my lips. The other ones I just swatched on my hands. I did not use them on my lips. So when they found out that they were all fresh and everything, they just raided all of those lip balms and they took them home, and that is how much they loved it. These are very nourishing for the lips. They keep your lips moisturized for a really long time, and the color, like the tint, it stays and it survives even through meals. That's how beautiful and long lasting it is. And the best part is that the tint looks very natural. So in case if you want to check out the full review of this lip balm, I'm going to leave it listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. The second Mamaearth product that I have is for your eyes. Now this is Mamaearth Vitamin C Under Eye Cream, and this is in the form of a massager, like an electric massager. So that is where you dispense out the under eye cream from, and then you need to turn this button on, and this starts vibrating. You need to keep this on your under eye region, and you need to turn it on, and it starts vibrating and it starts massaging your under eye region. So along with the vitamin C under eye cream, it's also a massager. It's a 2-in-1 product, and it's gonna help in improving blood circulation in your under eye region, thereby improving the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and just brightening up the tired under eye region in general. So even if you don't use under eye creams for the summers, it's really important to use them in the winter season, because your entire skin becomes dry, especially areas like your lips and your under eye regions. These areas require more care, so it's always important to nourish them during the winters, if not the summer season. The third Mamaearth product on my list is a hair oil. Now this is Mamaearth Cold Pressed Almond Hair Oil. This contains cold pressed almond oil and vitamin E, and it's amazing for the winter season. So almonds are also known as the king of dry fruits, and they contain more than 20 nutrients which are so essential for the health of your hair. So during the winter season, when your hair becomes really dull and lifeless, and it becomes all dry and your scalp becomes all itchy, this is a perfect time to use a hair oil like this. Now I know that a lot of you might think that you can use any oil for that matter, but this Mamaearth almond hair oil is cold pressed, which means that all of the goodness of the almonds is still inside the hair oil. It's not lost due to refining or due to extraction of the hair oil. It's still present in the oil, which means that you'll be getting all of the benefits of the hair oil on your scalp as well as on your hair, and it's going to help to deeply nourish your hair, deeply moisturize your hair, and improve the texture of your hair even. So this is an amazing hair oil for the winter season, and I highly recommend you check this out. It also comes with a comb applicator, which makes it really easy for the hair oil to be applied on the hair. This hair oil is made up of 100% natural ingredients only, and it also helps to prevent premature graying of your hair while deeply nourishing your scalp and your hair. And post using the hair oil, you can follow it up with this Mamaearth Almond Shampoo and this Mamaearth Almond Conditioner. These two are also enriched with cold pressed almond oil and vitamin E, and they make the perfect shampoo conditioner combo for the winter season, as they are non-drying on the hair and they're just great for the winters. Also, I forgot to mention that all of the products that I'm mentioning in today's video are all available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and also at Mamaearth's website and their app, and you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021 at Mamaearth, to avail a 20% off on all of these products. I highly recommend you try out Mamaearth's website to shop for their products, because every single time that you place an order on their website, they link your order to a tree that they plant, and they have this initiative of planting more than 1 million trees by 2025. You can also use Mamaearth's app to place orders. That way you will be getting early access to their sales, which means that you will be saving on more money. The fourth product on my list is this Mamaearth Uptan face wash. And look at how much I've already emptied this one. Now I don't really remember how many tubes of this face wash I've already emptied. It's an amazing face wash for dry skin, for the winter time, and just in general when your skin needs that extra hydration and that extra nourishment. This face wash is in the consistency of an Uptan paste, and when you apply it and massage it on your skin, it doesn't really foam up, but it still cleanses your skin so well and leaves it super hydrated, super moisturized, and super nourished and glowing. When you touch your skin, it feels so soft after using this face wash. It's great for the winter season, it's great for dry skin, and it's absolutely non-drying. In fact, it's a moisturizing face wash. So if you have dry skin, or since it's the winter time, I highly recommend you try this one out. The fifth and the last product on my list is this Mamaearth Uptan body lotion. So the reason why I love Mamaearth body lotions so much is because firstly the size is great. It's such a huge size. Like this one bottle is gonna last me for 2 months at least. Like if I use it on my entire body every single day, even then it's gonna last me at least for 2 months. And if I just use it on my hands and feet and everything, to 6 mahine to kahin nahi gaye with this bottle. And it's very affordable as well. This retails only for $3.99, that's 400 rupees for 400 ml. So you're getting amazing quantity at a very reasonable cost as well. And the reason why I recommend this variant in particular is because it's got turmeric and kokum butter. Kokum butter is like really nourishing for the skin. It's so hydrating for the skin, which is great for the winters. And it's got turmeric, which just instantly adds up to the glow on your skin. And every single time that I use this body lotion on my body skin glows so much. So if you want like glowing skin, not just on your face but also your body, and like well moisturized, soft, and nourished skin on your body, I highly recommend you try this out. And the best time to use this is post having a shower. So yeah, those were all of the 5 Mamaearth products that are just perfect for the winter season. I think I've pretty much covered up all of the categories. If there is any other Mamaearth product that you think is amazing for the winter season, that works really well for you, then let me know in the comment section below. I would love to try that out as well. And in case if you have tried out any of these products, then do let me know in the comments how they work out for you. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.